Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss interconversion of organic reaction. Interconversion of different classes of alcohols. 1 degree alcohol to interconverted to 2 degree alcohol with equal number of carbon atoms. Now, example CH3, CH2, CH2, OH. This is 1 degree carbon, so this is 1 degree alcohol. OH attached to 1 degree carbon, so OH is 1 degree. So this is 1 degree alcohol. Now, in concentrate H2SO4 and heat. Now this is converted to alkane. This is CH2, CH2, OH2 first, OH2 plus, and then one hydrogen, remove H2O. So this is CH3, CH, double bond CH2. Now then HBr attacked. We know CH3, CH, CH2, this alkane attached HBr two types. One is Markovnikov rule, another is anti-Markovnikov rule. Without peroxide, this is Markovnikov rule, and presence of peroxide H2O2, presence of peroxide from the anti-Markovnikov rule. Now Markovnikov rule, that means H addition in which number of carbon, that is more hydrogenated, and Br attached to less hydrogenated carbon. So this is 2 carbon, 2 hydrogen, so this is more hydrogenated, so hydrogen attack more hydrogenated carbon. So this is from CH3, CH, Br, CH3. So hydrogen attached more hydrogenated carbon and Br attached to less hydrogenated carbon. Now anti-Markovnikov rule in presence of peroxide, this is reverse. So Br attached to more hydrogenated carbon and hydrogen attached to less hydrogenated carbon. So this is CH3, CH2, CH2, Br. Now this is HBr, no peroxide, so from the Markovnikov rule. Markovnikov rule means hydrogen attached to more hydrogenated carbon, and this is a Br attached to less hydrogenated carbon. So from the product CH, CH, Br, CH, CH3. Now then in presence of KOH or H2O heat, OH minus attached to this and Br remove. So this is CH3, CH, OH, CH3. This is 2 degree alcohol, because this is 2 degree carbon, so this is 2 degree alcohol. So 1 degree alcohol converted to 2 degree alcohol, but there is 1, 2, 3 carbon, there is also 1, 2, 3 carbon. So carbon number same. Next conversion, 2 degree alcohol to 1 degree alcohol. So example CH3, CH, OH, CH3. This is 2 degree carbon, so this is 2 degree alcohol. First addition, concentrate H2SO4, heat. So form alkane CH, double bond CH2. Then HBr with H2O2. So HBr H2O2 means peroxide. So this is anti-Markovnikov rule addition. So H attack to less hydrogenated carbon and Br attack to more hydrogenated carbon. So this is from the CH, CH2, CH2, Br. Now then in presence of KOH, H2O heat. So from the OH minus attack this carbon, OH minus attack this carbon, Br remove. So this is CH3, CH2, CH2, OH. There is 3 carbon atom. There is 3 carbon atom. This is 2 degree carbon. This carbon is 1 degree. So this is 1 degree alcohol. This is 2 degree alcohol. So 2 degree alcohol converted to 1 degree alcohol, and carbon number are equal. Now 1 degree alcohol to 3 degree alcohol with equal number of carbon atom. Example CH3, CH3, C. This is CH, CH2, OH. This is 1 degree carbon, so this is 1 degree alcohol. Now in presence of concentrate H2SO4 heat, so this is from the alkene. So this is CH2, this is CH3, and this is CH3. Now in presence of HBr, no peroxide, so this is Markovnikov rule. So H attached to this carbon and Br attached to this carbon. So this is from Br, CH3, this is CH3, CH3. Then KOH, H2O, so OH minus attached this carbon, Br minus remove. So CH3, CH3 form OH. This is CH3. This is 3 degree carbon. So this is from the 3 degree alcohol. So 1 degree alcohol converted to 3 degree alcohol. But carbon number are same. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is also 1, 2, 3, 4. Now next conversion 3 degree alcohol to 1 degree alcohol with equal number of carbon atoms. Example is CH3, OH. This is 3 degree carbon. So 3 degree carbon, this is 3 degree alcohol. Now in presence of concentrated H2SO4 with heat, so form alkene. This is CH3, CH3 double bond CH2. Now in presence of BH3 THF, this is hydroboration reaction. Hydroboration reaction BH3 THF or B2H6 ether, so form the anti-Markovnikov, follow the anti-Markovnikov rule. Now in CH3 CH3 double bond CH2, in BH3 THF, so BH3, this is BH2 and H. This H attached to this carbon and BH2 attached to this carbon, because this is anti-Markovnikov rule follow. So less hydrogen at side, hydrogen attack, and boron attack to more hydrogen at side, like HBr. So this is CH3, this is H, this is CH2, BH2. Now in presence of H2O2 NaOH, BH2 converted to OH. So this is CH3, H, CH2, OH. This is 1 degree carbon. So this is 1 degree alcohol. So 3 degree alcohol converted to 1 degree alcohol, but carbon number are same. Next, conversion higher alcohol to lower alcohol, step down process, 1 carbon atom less. So example CH3, CH2, OH. In presence of K2Cr2O7, H2SO4. This is oxidizing agent, oxidation, complete oxidation. So this is from the acid CH3COOH, complete oxidation. Now in presence of NaOH to form the CH3COONA. Now then addition NaOH plus CaO, soda lime presence. So this is called decarboxylation reaction. So this is CO2 remove CO2. So form CH4, CO2 remove and hydrogen attached to form the CH4. Then Cl2 in presence of Hnu to form CH3Cl. Now then KOH in presence of H2O to form CH3OH. OH minus attach. So this is Cl minus remove. There is 2 carbon, there is 1 carbon. So 1 carbon should be less. So this is step down process. Now another interconversion lower alcohol to higher alcohol. Example CH3OH in presence of HI. So this is form CH3I. Now in presence of KCN to form CH3CN. Now reducing agent like lithium aluminum hydride or H2Ni or sodium CH2 C2H5OH ethanol, so form the CH3CH2NH2. The in presence of HNO2 nitrous oxide or NaNO2HCl to form CH3CH2OH. NH2 group converted to OH, alcohol. Now there is 1 carbon, there is 2 carbon. So 1 carbon increase. So this is step up process. So first addition HI to form CH3I, KCN to form CH3CN, and lithium aluminum hydride to form CH3CH2NH2, and nitrous acid to form CH3CH2OH. So next day I will discuss more important and interesting topic. So please stay with me and like, share, subscribe, comment. Thank you.